Welcome back to the 6x6 Army truck. I'm on the top of it. I've just completed all the work for the roof. I've welded every seam all the way across, and I've wrapped the whole thing with 2-inch angle iron and welded all the way down the truck continuously. See if I can get you a good picture. All the way down it, so that way we don't have any leaky roofs. I don't need these silly clamps anymore. Let's get rid of them. That was a lot of belly welding. That's 98 feet of weld, all told, laying on my stomach. So right there, that's the top of the slide out. That's been coming along pretty good. See if I can do this without falling off the ladder or making you seasick. Got the floor of it all welded in. Got the sidewalls ready for the partitions. And been coming along pretty nicely. So I've been welding underneath inside here for the propane canister for the Camp Chef. Got the whole back is all done now. Almost ready for paint. And then of course the cooker that's some of you have probably already seen. It's all ready to go. And got the door cut out. Well, that's where the door is going to be, obviously. And then there'll be a porch right here built off with the staircase running down toward the dualies. But anyway, that's kind of what we've been doing lately. There's a view of the front with the angle iron wrapped over the top. Coming along pretty nice.